Hey everyone, today when I'm at the agco, it's not as big a job as it really looks, but it actually goes pretty good. Once you got the stand and stuff all built, it goes pretty fast. But there's my problem. I didn't even know there was a seal in there. Of course, I just figured there was that like a pilot bearing. But anyhow, I packed it with grease and didn't even look in there. Didn't realize there was a seal. So when I put it together, I must have just been off a little bit and it caught and destroyed the seal. So that's why she was leaking. But everything inside here still looks nice and dry. It's good. Like I say, I tested all the pressures while I had it going. Everything is working awesome, really. So yeah, put a new seal in it. I bought everything, new bearings, everything, but take it apart and look. Clutch looks good in it. Cleaned it up some. Yeah. So not bad. You know, like I say, it's about a 3 or 4 hour job. That's all it is. But it looks worse than it is. But it'll be something nice when it's going. Tim's getting pretty excited so we can hit the field with it. So get her going, get her tuned up, change the oil in it, and make sure it's working pretty good before I charge the AC back up. And hit the field. I'd like to start cutting feed here probably the day after tomorrow. So get her going first and go from there. But anyhow, when I had it going, I tested everything, and there's no leaks back here, so everything I done here, see, I touched everything from here back, rebuilt everything from here back, and I didn't realize there was anything up here. So that's the trouble. I've never had one of these ones apart before. Now I know. I was talking to a mechanic, and he said there's enough room for 2 seals in there, and there probably is. I ordered 2. I don't know. I don't know why. He's the one that supposedly did the work on it before, so why didn't he put 2 in it in the first place? So anyhow, clean her up good. Slap her back together. Have her going this afternoon. So I'm getting pretty excited. Getting tired of looking at it in the way, and I got my 844. I got a noise in the transmission, so I got to take it apart and find the bad bearing. Do the transmission in that one, and then you know, I'll be geared up here for the summer. So sad part is it puts a lot of hours on my old case, and she's old. So anyhow, it's been a good tractor. I just want this one going. So either I run it, I imagine I'm going to run it. You know, everybody says get rid of it, but it's hard when you just done everything and you know what you did to it. You know, so makes it a little hard to want to get rid of it. But I think they're a decent tractor when things are fixed right. You know, like anything, if you're just going to patch stuff and you're not going to you know, they're not going to hold up, right? And that's all it's kind of been through the years. But I'd buy another one. They're actually pretty simple. Once you have everything all made, you know what's in there. You know, one thing about Massey is they kept the same style, like your 3690, you know, all the way up to your 8100 series is the same rear end. So your 6144 whites, and I think it's 6124 too, has the same transmission. There's a lot of Masseys, and then even that dyna shift is the same, and like a lot more than that Massey's. Yeah, it's quite surprising how many tractors they had the same parts, and even right up into the new stuff, same basic dyna shift. So, you know, once they're fixed right, then it should be good. But I mean, they done a lot of stuff supposedly to it. They told me they did anyway before I bought it. But the clutch was new, and I mean, it's probably been remanufactured or something. But anyways, just trying to get it done, and figured I better get right at it. I got a bunch of hay that needs to be cut, or getting that point needs to be cut, so no better time to get her going. So if I had it going, I put it on the mower. Probably be better mower tractor and keep the case on the baler. Case a little nicer on the clutch. This one here's got that, you know, the old style mechanical clutch, so your knee takes a toll on you at the end of the day. You know, the case is kind of all hydraulic, so you got that little spool valve, so it's really easy pushing the clutch down. A kid can do it, so a little easier on me. So anyhow, that's all I'm up to today, so we'll talk at you later.